So we're making it out. Finally made it to upstate New York. Sitting by some young kids. They're talking about smoking so much pot. That's why they're so out of it. But yeah, we are making it. Going to explore around here, make it out a little bit farther than I have on the fixed gear. Essentially some spots that I've been really wanting to go to whenever I'm up here. Also, this is just kind of doing a shakeout ride of not only being up here, but my family and I got a food bug or something in the last few days. Really stunk because it was when we did the most traveling. Essentially, we were trying to make it from Chicago to the Rochester area throughout a week, and we ended up making it in about 3 days. So we did almost double the driving while having a stomach bug, which was not any easy task. Luckily got majority of the driving done before the day before it really hit me. But yeah, we're making it out. Gonna make my way up to Soda's Point Park, Lighthouse area. Essentially just gonna see what they have. So let's make our way there and see what we can get. Alright, we've made it to Lake Ontario. My wife just found out the other day that we have now hit 4 out of the 5 Great Lakes. Unfortunately, we did not hit the one up on the tip of Michigan due to the fact of running out of time and also not bringing our passports to make the trip through Canada over to here. But next time we travel up here, we are definitely going to make sure to have our passports so we can hit all 5 of them. So I could hardly hold my phone steady enough to take a picture with the lighthouse out there because the wind is so strong. I have actually been looking to come to this spot for like 2 or 3 years now and just never made it up here. But I've been seeing a lot of cool pictures of water splashing on this pier, which you can see in the distance a little bit, as well as it completely frosted over with snow because they get about 70 plus inches of snow up here, which is ridiculous. And you know, so I think this neighborhood right over here is just a dead end but a loop, so we're gonna go down and see if we can find anything fun, any little lookouts or piers. Wild to live here. Oh, your waterfront. Let's look across the street. Oh, their waterfront. Now that's the spot to have. So another thing I forgot to bring up already is during these travels my wife and I have decided to officially make a YouTube channel for our school bus and school bus travels, because I do want to keep my page more towards things with two wheels and just kind of more of my own personal lifestyle. But then also the school bus one, it will be our family and all of our ventures, and can kind of do more broad stuff on that. This channel is not going to specifically be motorcycles, but most of the content will have to do with motorcycles. So it is time to finally put some gas in this bike after, I don't know, over a month.
Is that a V-Rod?
It isn't. It's a Triumph.
Triumph?
Yeah.
Sweet bike.
Thank you. This is a sweet little town. Also minus the fact I'm already speeding. Now, back to this intersection. Trying to get my mental and physical capacity back to 100%. This is helping a little bit, but also just making me realize how out of it I am. But, ooh, that's a cool building. No clue what's going on over there.
Do you guys see anyone running? No?
So that is going to be a wrap for this video. Gonna go home, chill out with the family. Got the first shakedown ride of Upstate New York out. Good ride. It feels super nice to not know where I'm going, just explore. Got some gravel roads in, seasonal highways, which is one thing up here which I actually think is pretty sweet. So if you guys have any questions on today's ride, let me know. I'll help you out. I have decided that I'm going to get a GPS to put on the bike, so that way whenever I do my rides I can actually record the route and give it to you guys. And yeah, I will see you guys for the next one. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and subscribe.